możesz puścić. Naciśnij lewy. Okay. Number 1 and 2, and the sound is also indicating which one was pressed, not just the light. So there's gonna be a melody followed by just a single tone.
Yeah.
And this one allows, well, basically this one plays the same tone twice at the end.
Yeah. And this one.
Can you hold it?
Yeah.
Press it. Press the button and hold it. And there's an alarm in case both are triggered at the same time, which is extremely unlikely.
Yeah.
Which basically means the run should be redone. That's it. And a simple switch off. And it's basically made from a plastic tray, a programmed Arduino circuit, few arcade switches, few light bulbs from the Christmas chain from a few years ago,
Yeah.
a passive piezo speaker, some resistors, and yeah, and a little bit of a coding for the Arduino. So it's fairly simple, fairly cheap, and quite a fun game. Is it?
Yeah.
Good.
Now let's push the bed.
There you go.